canter is going to get you down the line easy, so don't try to change that. That's fine. There you go. Find your corner and let him do the rest. There you go. He didn't like hitting that green one. So he's saying he's not going to hit the other ones.
We're just doing a circle.
That's fine. Now here, this line's a lot tighter, so even a smaller canter is not going to hurt you. Whoa. There we go. Whoa again. Good. Alright, now you're on the lead, so leave him alone. You worry about keeping him straight with your leg more than your hand.